Just finished the first day of acting class, and I find that the skills that I'm developing here are very useful. They're not a natural skill. It's not something that you use in your everyday life, and not something that you realize that you don't have until you start taking the acting class and realize that there are a bunch of skills that only actors have, and to be able to learn some of those skills and be able to use them in our everyday lives doing what we do professionally is definitely beneficial. Coming in here, I felt very open to what there was to learn and what was really to be gotten out of the experience. And I was pleasantly surprised. I was slightly apprehensive at first, but upon getting into the class, I felt very comfortable, at ease, and very grateful to be able to be in the situation and have some very professional instruction by a very professional acting teacher, and really to be able to get a whole lot of experience in a very short period of time.